Have you ever wondered how to divide plants? Plant division is a simple gardening technique that encourages robust growth while expanding your garden. It's a cost-effective, rewarding method for multiplying your favorite blooms. Let's delve into the step-by-step process of dividing plants. First and foremost, it is crucial to choose the right plant for division. Most perennials make excellent candidates. Look for signs such as overcrowding or a decrease in bloom. These are clear indicators that your plant is ripe for division. Once you have identified the perfect plant, we can move on to the next step. Now that you've picked the plant, it's time for some prep work. Start by watering the plant a day before you plan to divide it. Then, carefully dig it up, making sure to gently shake off any excess soil. With your plant ready, we can now proceed to the actual division. The moment of truth has arrived. It's time to divide your plant. Identify the natural divisions in the root system and gently separate them using your hands or clean, sharp tools. Be delicate to avoid unnecessary damage. Now that you have your divisions, the next step is to plant them. With your divisions ready, it's now time to plant them. Ensure you space them properly, not too close, not too far. Plant them deep enough for stability, and remember, water them right after planting. By following these steps, you'll have new plants sprouting in no time. And there you have it, the simple process of dividing plants. By selecting, preparing, dividing, and planting, you're not only multiplying your green friends, but also promoting their health and vitality. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.